3S on a Hypergo SCT. I can already feel this is going to be an entertaining run. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is ballistic now. Definitely better balanced on 2S, but how are you going to say no to more power? How are you going to say no to more power? Jeez. This thing's got some speed, man. This thing has some speed. Oh, what's happened? I may have something stuck in my drive line. There we go. Woo boy. Yeah, okay, this is this is going to be interesting. Now, interestingly, the truck shut down right after I turned off the camera. I don't know if 3S is really ideal for this thing. Could be a fluke, could be it's running too hot. I mean, I just finished my 2S run. Turn the lights on because I like the lights. Oh, of course. Let's see what we can do here. Can we at least get one big jump with the tailwind? Come on. Not lining it up properly. Oh, the body's crooked. Hold on. Just realized the body's caught on the rear bumper. Here we go. Way too much power on 3 cell. It's crazy. Oh my god. Oh, it's upside down again. Well, while we were on this side, let's try and see if we can line up a decent enough jump. We have tailwind. We have a big run up. It's okay. It survived. Oh my goodness. Still in one piece. Can it take a beating? I would say yes. Oh, come on, line up now. Here we go, come on. Line her up, line her up. All right. Try that again. It's definitely a handful on 3 cell. On 2S it was way better balanced. Tough little truck, I'll give it that. Taking a few hits. Hang on, I've lost steering. Nah, it's gone into limp home mode again. That's top speed now. Yeah, let's see if we can reset it and go again. All right, we are good to go again. I think everything's running a little bit hot. So yeah, it goes into thermal shutdown. Oh! My goodness, it's still okay though. Come on, I gotta line up a decent one. Jesus! I'm not intentionally trying to break it, but it is fun when you can take this much abuse. Oh! It just lands all sorts of wrong. Now it's stuck on the tall grass. Hard to believe this thing is still in one piece and still going. after all these jumps and tumbles and crashes. Obviously this is not meant to be driven for big sends. This is a different type of truck, but if you do decide to jump it, keep it tame, maybe keep it on 2S, use the 3S for just some fun drifting around car parks, doing speed runs. But you know, do as you please, I guess. Watch out for thermal shutdowns, because it has shut down on me twice now. And yeah, aside from that, this thing is tough, handles great, drives great, looks great. A lot of green boxes being ticked here for MJX with this little guy. And even on 3S, man, what a truck. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.